Okay, so today's adventure is we're gonna drive 2 hours northwest and go to Lake Crescent, which is right outside of Port Angeles. There is a hiking trail, pretty easy one that goes to a waterfall, and I think Riker will definitely be able to do it. And since today is only gonna be in the low 80s, I thought it would be a perfect day to get out and go hiking. It is just summer in Washington. Like, yes, it can get hot and we don't have AC, which a lot of places don't around here. Getting out and hiking, like, this is hiking and camping season, and I am so excited to get Riker back into it, especially with him being almost 3. Like, I definitely want it to be like something that we do as a family, and something to really instill in his habits is getting out in nature and exercising and moving his body and really having an affinity for nature, which right now he does. I mean, what child doesn't? They're bringing home sticks, they're bringing home rocks, they're picking flowers. Like, I just want to keep that active lifestyle with him. So we're gonna go hiking. Baby ducks. Oh, hi, little ducky. I know, they're so cute. You want to come?
Hold my hand. Good job.
Is that a tunnel? We're in a tunnel. That is so cool. I was wondering how we'd make it under the street, under the road.
More tunnel.
More tunnel. Oh, thank you. You're jumping?
I'll jump fast.
You jump fast? Oh, this one looks fun. Alright, so we'll stay on this trail. Oh, is that the river? That's right, really big owie. Can you help Mama? Cool. Cool. Oh, good job. Thank you. Although it's like 80 degrees outside, this trail is pretty shaded. So it's nice and cool. And there's a nice breeze coming through here too. like that is what we're gonna cross. And then there's a bridge right there that leads to it. Oh yeah? Do you want some granola? No? Granola?
You're almost done. One more step. One more. Oh, good job. Okay, one more. Oh, good job. Do you want to jump? No? Okay. Look, almost there. Okay, I followed you.
Oh my goodness. The rock booped me. Hey. Riker. Hey, hey. No booping mommy with the rock.
Riker.
Hey, hey. Look, there's a fish.
You want to put him back?
Baby, look, chipmunk. Yeah, it's like a little baby squirrel. You see it? Oh, it's gone. Whoop. Don't tickle mommy. Go tickle Dada. This is how we're making good progress on the way back. Playing tag. Says you can't get me. He's practically ran the whole way back. I'm surprised that he has so much energy still. It's like he has this second wind. He gets like to the point where he's tired, he's slipping, he is thirsty, and he's crying, and then everything gets better. Are you hiding from me? I'm gonna get you. And then he just has this like second wind of just this energy. And he's probably gonna crash the first thing we get into the car. Where could that baby have gone? Is he over here? There he is!
Run!
Where is that baby?
Home spot.
Ah!
No, she doesn't see us. She doesn't see it.
No, I see you.
Come on.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, you gotta run.
It is so fun having him this age. I mean, it's fun other times, but this is like super fun. Like, this is a really good age. Exiting the trailhead, going back to our car, and there's a couple of women over there smoking. We walk by, and Riker goes, "Ew, stinks."
That's stew.
Yeah, that stinks, doesn't it? I agree.
Thanks.